Welcome to your Designs YouTube channel. Elevate your living room ambiance with our top vintage living room carpet where timeless charm meets modern comfort. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this carpet captures the essence of vintage aesthetics, infusing our space with a sense of nostalgia and sophistication. The intricate patterns and rich color palette evoke a sense of history, while the premium materials ensure a luxurious underfoot experience. Our vintage carpet doesn't just adorn your floors, it adds character to your entire living room, serving as a conversation starter and a focal point. Whether your decor leans towards classic elegance or eclectic Mumian, the top vintage living room carpet seamlessly integrates into various design themes, embrace the past while stepping into ultimate comfort. With this executed edition that bridges the gap between eras, making your living room a truly remarkable space. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.